Question 23. Michelle interviewed 124 people. 72 of them had MP3 players and 83 of them had cell phones. She did not keep track of the number who had both, or neither. What is the best she can say about the number of people with both? So we have two categories. We have the MP3 players, and we have the cell phones. Now the most we can say, or the best we can say, is that there's 124 of them, and that 72 of them had MP3 players, and 83 of them had cell phones. Remember now, the way that we did this in class is I said, is it possible? Okay, is this possible? Okay. Can that be a valid outcome? Okay. So if I've interviewed 124 people, can this actually work? Well, I have 72 here, 0 here, and 83 there. If I add that up, go to your calculator, add up 72 and 83, get 155. Is that more people than she interviewed? Yes, which means this is not a possibility. Okay. All right, but if you add them up, you get 155. I can't go over 124. So how many did I go over by? So what you do is you take 155, take 155, subtract 124, because that's the most you can have, and you'd get 31. What this means is that I had gone over by 31 people, meaning that 31 people have to be counted twice, because otherwise this won't work. So now this is our first valid outcome. We would have 41 here, and 52 here. Because is this valid now? Well, if you take 41, 31, and 52, then that's that. This adds up to 124. That's good. Now the question is, how many can I go up to in the middle? Like, I can't just put 1,000,000 here. Alright, there has to be a maximum number. And because, let's just take a look at this circle, the most that you can put in here, like if you add up these two regions, it should add up to 72. So the most that can go in here then is 72, which makes that 0. And then how many people can go in here? Well, if the most you can have in there is 83, and you put in 72, that means there'd have to be 11 here. Now how much does that add up to? 83. Is it possible to put any other number in the middle? Can I put, say, 73? Well, no. If I put 73 in the middle, how is the entire circle going to add up to 72 when you have 73? Okay, so let's see. What can we say about the number of people with both? Well, it has to start with 31, and it can go up to 72. So between 31 and 72 is our answer. So our answer is D.